Hey guys, I know you can't see me because I have to do something. See? SpongeBob SquarePants coloring book. That's from a long time ago because I love the color. Okay. See, I did that. I'm just testing colors right there. Right there is just testing colors. Okay. SpongeBob. Oh, hold on, got an itch. Gary, of course, loves Gary. And I just put yellow and brown because his pants are brown. Let me scoot up. Made it a rainbow. But flip, that's just matching. Yeah, I drew Plankton. That's from the other side. Plankton, that's me. I drew that. I really did. Because I love SpongeBob. I drew Patrick sucking up a big sandwich. This was from a long time ago. So I did not draw that. Okay, I drew that. I drew that. That's from Adam Markers. Not that page. I'm gonna draw it. I haven't finished that. Yeah, I didn't do this. Okay, I did that. I haven't finished it. That's like finish the picture, so you have to, it says, focus. 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 But it says draw a silly face in SpongeBob. There's SpongeBob though. I just now drew that. And that face though. Hold on. No, but all these pictures are pretty good. Yeah, I'm gonna draw. Thanksgiving the Krabby Patty. Plus, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. This is just recording. So later on, I'm gonna put it on YouTube. Where? Okay. I'll show you something. Focus. It says where are SpongeBob and Patrick? Draw a picture where you think they're standing. Oh, that's hard. Oh, I drew this. Yeah, I just now finished that. I hope you think it looks good. Please.